Welcome to my channel. 192.168.1.128 Admin Login. Admin access to your 192.168.1.128 router. No matter whether you use the internet at home or the office, you most likely have a wireless router. Your internet service provider, ISP, has set it up already. Even an up-and-running device may require some tuning up from time to time, though. That is why it's crucial you know how you can access the admin menu of your 192.168.1.128 router and what you can do in there. Getting started, accessing the admin panel. The first step is to connect your internet-capable device to the router's network. Once you've done that, open your internet browser of choice. Everything from Microsoft Edge to Google Chrome, Firefox, and Safari will do the trick. Write 192.168.1.128 in the address bar and hit enter. Some devices will get you straight away to the menu. Most routers will require a username and password first, though. If that is the case with your 192.168.1.128 router, just go to the physical device and look at the label on the side. There you will find the default username and password. Use them and enter the admin panel. The default username and password don't work. Call your ISP and ask for the login credentials. You can factory reset the device. Factory resetting your 192.168.1.128 wireless router happens when you Factory resetting your 192.168.1.128 wireless router happens when you